So what's up OnePlus 12R users? We have a good news for you guys. For those who bought OnePlus 12R, I mean the 256GB variant, thinking that it has UFS 4.0, and later a controversy happened, you all know, which was confirmed by OnePlus that it doesn't have UFS 4.0. But now OnePlus have released a statement that they will be providing a full refund of OnePlus 12R if you have got the 256GB variant. I'm really happy for those people who felt cheated by OnePlus. And trust me, nowadays OnePlus is doing really good if such thing happens. Initially, the green line issues in which they replaced the screens, and now they are also providing the vouchers. After that, this UFS thing happened, and you can see they are accepting the device and giving you the full refund. But we are not sure about the conditions. We'll find it out in this video. We'll talk to customer care and we'll see on what conditions they are accepting the device and giving the full refund. By the way, if you guys are new to our channel, my name is Ashok, and if you like a video, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So first of all, let me show you the statement given by OnePlus in which they have apologized for the miscommunication which happened related to UFS 4.0 and 3.1. And by the way guys, if you are more concerned about UFS storage, how much does it matter compared to 3.1 and 4? So I've done a dedicated video and a real world usage test. Make sure to watch the video which is being displayed on the screen. So if you see the statement that was released on 16th, and in the second para, if you see the last line which says including a refund until 16th March 2024. OnePlus have given all the information to the customer service guys. So let's find out what conditions they have for the full amount to be refunded. I'll call up OnePlus customer care so that even you guys can listen to what they say about it.
Thank you for calling OnePlus. My name is Raju. How may I help you today?
Hi, good evening Rajiv. This is Ashok this side.
Yes, Ashok sir.
Actually, I have a query regarding OnePlus 12R.
Okay.
So recently I purchased OnePlus 12R and that was 256GB storage variant, and initially if you guys are aware that they had a, on the website it was written that it has UFS 4.0, but later OnePlus confirmed that it has a UFS 3.1.
Yes sir.
So I want to return that phone and get a refund. What's the process in that?
Sure. First of all, sorry for inconvenience sir. Please be online.
Sure.
Just okay. May I know, Ashok sir, when did you purchase the phone?
It was purchased on the launch day, like the first sale was on 6th or
6th.
yes.
Please share me the order number.
No, order number I don't have. I got it from the store itself. I just wanted to inquire because I'll visit store and get the refund. Right now I'm using different phone. I'm not using the 256. I got both the phones. One was pre-ordered, so I don't know exactly the IMEI number. I just wanted to know the process. What can I do? What are the policies like for the refund?
Sure. Sir, if you want a refund, so you can visit the service center. First, you can pack up your phone and from it to the factory data reset. And you need to visit the service center with the phone, box, and all accessories. And the service center, they will check and provide you the service.
Okay, so they won't ask any question regarding
No, because they know also the concern, so you don't facing an issue. And if even then are you facing the issue, so that time please call us. We will directly go talk with them.
Okay, so it doesn't matter like when I purchased, like before this statement was released from OnePlus, or if
no, because if you purchase the phone from first sale, because in the first sale the advertisement correction, that's why
yes
it's mentioned 4.0. So if you purchase phone from 6th February, order 6th February, so definitely we provide you the service.
From the 6th Feb, like yesterday, not yesterday, today only one of my friend also got a device. So
because Ashok sir, with the second sale we already mentioned in the site. The 12R 16GB RAM on 256GB storage, the UFS is 3.1. So that time we are also mentioned the right information the site.
Okay. No, he got it from the offline store. He did not see the website or I just confirmed him about this thing and he bought the device. Today he called me up regarding the same thing that OnePlus has informed about this thing.
They purchased it after second sale, so we cannot provide the refund.
Okay, this is second sale. You guys are not providing the refund, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the first sale was only on 6th, right? After that, there is no sale.
Yes, because after that we correct our side wrong information.
Okay.
Okay, so sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so as per OnePlus team, if you have got the device in first sale which was on 6th Feb, then only you are liable to get the full refund. If you guys remember, 6th Feb had limited stock, and if I check right now on OnePlus store, this device is currently available. So as far as I know, OnePlus 12R was soon out of stock and they are only accepting that particular sale units. If you guys are thinking to buy the device right now and then later on get a refund, because they have stated that refund will be given up to 16th March 2024, that's only for those people who have got the device in the first sale. They are not considering the second sale. It doesn't matter if you have bought it from OnePlus store or from OnePlus website. They'll be only giving the refund of the first sale units, nothing else. But before returning the device, make sure to watch the video which we recently made related to UFS 3.1 and UFS 4.0, in which we have done real world usage test, and I'm sure not every user after watching that video will go for the refund. So guys, this is all about the refund what OnePlus is providing for OnePlus 12R, the first sale units. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.